Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about the best credit cards for college students. So just because you're a college student, that does not mean you cannot get credit cards. Plus, they have credit cards that's literally just for college students. So there's a lot of credit cards out there that you can apply for, and some of them they don't even care if you have credit. Like if you don't have credit at all, it doesn't matter. They can still pre-qualify you and tell you yes or no. But the key to this is to make sure that you use your student email address, okay? So when you apply for these credit cards, make sure that you use your student email address. That way they know for sure you're a student because they're going to see EDU or whatever it's going to be, your student email address, and then they'll be able to know that you're a student and you're going to have an easier time getting approved for these credit cards. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. Make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys find value, you ever get approved for a credit card, please let me know down in the comments. I'm building out my blog, and I just want to make sure that if we all say, hey, I got approved for this credit card, this is my credit score, this was on my limit on my blog, we can have so many different entries. So I'll show you some of the entries that I have now, because you guys are going to want to look at that too. That's going to be very, very important. And if you guys just come back and do that, I will be forever thankful just by saying, hey, Rickita, I got approved for this card. This was my limit. And say whether or not you like the card too. And just so other people can have feedback, okay? When we have so much feedback, it's going to help us all win. So I want you guys to definitely do that. And you can see a lot of people too left comments too, like, hey, I got approved for $2,000, got approved for $11,000, approval for $15,000. I was pre-approved for $15,000 with the NASA, $4,500, $2,000. This is very, very helpful, you guys. And if you guys ever left me a comment, I truly appreciate it. And I'm not letting it go to waste. I'm going to use it for everybody greater good. So make sure you guys leave me comments. Let me know what you guys actually did or what you guys got approved for. Now, let's get right on into it too, because I don't want to waste time. Now, with the blog that I grew, I have so many different things. So just go to Rickita.com and you guys will see it. So if you guys are ever in Orlando, coming down here to visit, check out some of my events that I'm having. I'm having a huge event in October. I cannot wait to invite you all there. And then also check out my membership so I can teach you guys how to increase your credit score, remove some of the negative accounts, and get approved. And then this is where I want you guys to be. So I want you to check out the best credit cards for students. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now, these are going to be the best credit cards for students. So make sure you guys use your student email address. But before we go ahead and check out these credit cards, let me show you what I mean by telling me your approval and how I'm using it. So what you want to do is go ahead and search any credit card, because I probably got a review on every credit card that's here in the system. Go ahead and search that credit card. So I search Apple because I want to look at the Apple card. So I have a full review on the Apple card. Can you guys see this? A full review. And this one is going to have actually a blog style where you can read on this credit card too. But look, I had people that actually got approved. So I just got approved for the 5 credit card, the Apple credit card. Now I have 5 accounts reported to bureaus now. They're not going to apply for a long time. That is really good. I just got approved for the Apple credit card with a $2,500 limit. My credit score was 647. That way you compare yours to them and say, okay, am I going to get it or not? A $2,000 credit card approval. So definitely make sure you guys leave these approvals. These approvals are very, very helpful, and it's helping everybody else see, do I have an easier time of getting, am I going to have an easy time of getting that, or, what should I do? So definitely check that out. Now let's check out the best credit cards for students. Now, the first credit card I definitely have to talk to you guys about is the student cashback card. I like this one because you can get up to 5% cash back in certain categories. So it's just like their Discover It cashback card, but this one is actually for students. They can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, and you don't necessarily have to have credit history to get this. Like, you're going to get 5% cash back. People would die for that, especially those people that get like the Verve card, the Reflex card. They paying $100 annual fee, and you got a credit card with no annual fee. They pre-qualified you without a hard inquiry, and also you're getting cash back, which is very, very amazing. So definitely check out the Discover It student cashback card. Now, for all these credit cards, I have a video here that you can watch a full review on it. Just like you watching this video, it's a full review on it. Also, I have the credit card image here, so you can know what it looks like. You can apply right through here. Plus, also a free downloadable guide that teach you more about this credit card. And then I have details, so you guys are going to get up to a 5% cash back and no annual fee. So you guys are going to find the details there. So that's one of them that I want you guys to look into. We also have the Chase Freedom Student Credit Card. This is a great student credit card because you guys can build your credit and earn rewards. Plus, they got a $50 bonus. Now, they don't have an annual fee, but Chase do not do like that pre-qualification thing that I was telling you with Discover, where they could tell you yes or no without getting your hard inquiry. Chase don't do that. But it's still a great credit card to actually get. I suggest you get that credit card if you already started building credit, or if you was added on to like your parents as an authorized user or someone as an authorized user, because now you got history. Another one I like is a Discover is Student Chrome credit card. Their Student Chrome card. I love this one because you can pre-qualify again without a hard inquiry. They don't care if you have credit history at all. You guys can get a higher limit than normal too. See, somebody got a $2,000 approval, and I just like that they don't have an annual fee. They're beginner friendly, and they're going to pull your Treasury and credit report after you say yes or no. They're going to pull your Treasury and credit report if you do have a credit report, and they're going to report to the credit bureau, so they're going to start building your credit. We also have the Saver One Student Cash Rewards card. I love this one because you're going to get 3% cash back, $0 annual fee on this card. And Capital One usually have like the unlimited rewards. Some of these credit cards you hear, oh, you get 2% back. They're going to cap you. They're not going to let you get unlimited. It's going to be up to $1,500 in purchase or something like that. But Capital One, they're not going to cap you with those rewards. So definitely check them out. Now, this is the thing about Capital One, because we're going to go to another Capital One. Capital One reports to all 3 credit bureaus, but they will also check all 3 credit bureaus to approve you. Like, Capital One needs to be all in your business to be able to approve you, but definitely check them out and pre-qualify with them because they'll tell you which ones they can give you. They also have the Quicksilver rewards for students, so definitely check this one out. You can earn 1.5% cash back. This one, again, they're going to check all 3 credit reports to pull you, but they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus too. So that's really good. And that one, I put no annual fee here, but double check with that because usually when you see Quicksilver, they're going to charge you a $39 annual fee. We also have the Journey Student Credit Card. This one is no annual fee. You guys will be able to pre-qualify with no hard inquiry, and you guys get unlimited cash back. So I really like that one. The Make of America Travel Rewards card. This is another great one. I want you guys to definitely check out. The Deserve Card, EDU, MasterCard for students. Definitely check that one out. The Pedal One Visa is a great one for student. Pedal 2 also is a great one. The Discover is Student Cash. The Discover is Secure credit card. This one is not just for students, but it's great if you need to get through the door. Say if they can't give you a credit card, start with this. You do got to put a deposit down. You can put a $200 deposit down, but it's usually going to graduate in 7 to 9 months, which is really amazing. So definitely try to see if you can get it, and they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. And I've seen people that put a $200 deposit down and they was able to get a limit of over $2,000 when they graduated. So graduation means that you're not going to have a secure card anymore. It's going to graduate to an unsecure card. Not only is it going to be unsecure, but they're going to give you your money back and they're going to increase your limit a lot of times. So definitely check that out. If you guys ever have any questions about any of the credit cards that I go over, definitely let me know. There's so many credit cards on my blog, like so many that you guys can choose from. I definitely want you guys to, do your research on these different credit cards. So like, let me give you an example. Say if you do like the Discover is Student Cashback card, then you guys can go ahead and search it here at the top because I have a full review on this credit card plus a lot of other credit cards. I literally took a lot of time, almost it's over 6 months it took me to be able to put this together, but to have it totally finalized is going to be a year. But I have like the best credit cards for cashback. If you want cashback, you can check that out. But the Discover is Student Cashback card. So you guys can click right there and you guys can see even a more of a review. So I got approved this past week. I applied. Thanks for the information. I just got approved. These things are good because it shows that people are actually getting approved for the cards. And again, it can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. I really appreciate you guys leaving reviews when you guys get approved for a credit card. I really appreciate that. And then you can also leave a comment down here at the bottom too. I would really appreciate that. Like, thank you so much, Rickita. I got approved for this credit card. That can help out a lot of people because then I can just go ahead and post it here on the website so more people can know like which credit cards they can actually get approved for. But hopefully this was very helpful to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching all the way to the end. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And also check out my clients and my memberships, the 87 points in literally 2 weeks. I like that. So we do meetups. They got 87 points in 2 weeks. But I have the 5 ways to increase your credit score at 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check this out. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.